Why am I leaning? Hello and welcome to Pisa! That's why I'm leaning. Leaning Tower of Pisa today, plus I'll have a bit of a look around and see what we can find. It's a very pretty railway station and the gardens are beautiful. That was yummy. The guy who runs the local vegan cafe has offered to let me store my suitcase at the cafe until my hotel opens for check-in, and so that I can go and see the Leaning Tower without any luggage. So very, very grateful, and I'm on my way through to the Leaning Tower of Pisa. According to the graffiti, the tower isn't leaning today, but I think we'll find it is. I don't know what's more interesting, the Leaning Tower or the people trying to pose with it. Frozen in my bones, I'll never get tired of the enemy. Got them both pulled tight in front of me. I'm a hunter with an arrow in my hand. Although emergency engineering intervention was required in 1990, the Tower of Pisa should be leaning for at least another 190 years. So you've got time to come and see it if you'd like to. After spending so much time in out-of-the-way places and cool destinations like Sarajevo in Bosnia, it feels really weird to be in a conventional tourist trap. I'm immune to the souvenirs though, thankfully. That's the Leaning Tower of Pisa. I'm just going to go through. There's an aeroplane cemetery just beside the Tower of Pisa. This aeroplane is reportedly called the Widowmaker because it was so dangerous to fly. This aircraft was really dangerous. No going back, hearing voices calling out my name. Got them path laid out in front of me. Sharp knife, headstrong, no time to think. I'm a huntress, I don't know who I am. Hear the shadows follow me over the hills in the evergreen. Trade my soul for a chance to carry on. It's a rather chilly night, but I'm going down to the river to have a look. Charlie said this is a beautiful walk down to the river, and that you'll see lots of people promenading, but already it looks quite beautiful. Pisa is lovely, but it's quite small, so a day trip would probably suffice. And it's 2 degrees in Pisa and it's my birthday and I'm leaving on the train today for another adventure. Next time, come riding bicycles and hiking in 𝑘𝑛𝑔𝑡𝑒𝑟